Hello students, do you like to be always told what to do or not to do? I think no one likes this. Today I am going to teach you this poem Chivi. Chivi means to continuously urge or force someone to do something, often in an irritating way. This poem is written by Michael Rosen. In this poem, the poet expresses his feelings just like other small children who feel annoyed and irritated by their elders who always tell them what to do or not to do. The grown-ups always say things like speak up, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose, sit up, say please, less noise, stand straight, say thank you, don't interrupt, means don't interfere. So they say this kind of things because they want to teach manners to their children so that they can learn how to behave with other people of the society. But in the last two lines you can see that last two line is can't you make your own way, mind up anything, mind up about anything. So in these two lines they also ask the children to think himself and to become independent in taking decisions. But they are not reasonable in this because always they suggest the children what they have to do or what not. So one way they want them to become independent in taking decision, but always they suggest them what they have to do or what not to do. But these things that elders ask the children, they want ask the children to teach them the manners so that they can live with the other people of the society, or how they can behave with the other people of the society. So students, this poem is finished today, and the question answer you will get through PDF. If any problem you can ask.